In this video I am going to show how to create payslip for a fixed monthly amount for an employee. Note that before creating a payslip you must create an employee and then create the employee's payslip items first. When completing payslip items for each employee, these will automatically show up on creating payslip, thus facilitating the atomization of payslip. Note, payslip items can also be edited and added during the process of payslip creation. Now go to Payroll. General Payslip. Create new payslip. Select the department which you want to process for the salary. Employee list automatically appears if you select its department. Select an employee whom you want to process payslip. Select pay frequency. Select pay term in which you want to calculate the payment amount. This time I am selecting a fixed pay term. We have another video there I had shown how to create payslip with selecting pay per hours worked, which is differently calculated. Here we are selecting the fixed monthly pathway. Select month and click Create New Payslip. Pick a payment date. This is the salary details of this employee. Note that, if there is no bonus amount, absent or deduction items on given time period, then the payslip process is done here. You may validate it by selecting the Finish button bottom of page. Let's talk about the pay calculation section. Fixed pay is the monthly basic salary for the month for this employee. This amount is pre-set. It shows left here total months and total amounts as well. Note you can add maternity, holiday, recuperated hours, sick paid. On doing so they appear on the left as they included in the monthly fixed pay amount and do not add to the total pay. And you can deduct absences, unpaid sick which is deducted from the fixed pay. You can add allowances, bonuses which are added to the fixed pay amount under taxable or non-taxable allowance. Taxable allowance shows allowance where tax is deducted. Noting any payslip item, here allowances may be edited. For this exercise, housing allowance and car allowance is classified as taxable allowance. Tax deduction refers to income taxes. This can be pre-set in payslip items for the employee. Below, the total gross pay after tax deduction is shown. Here is the government deduction payslip item for the employee, pension, unemployment and medical insurance for employees. There are payslip items for government deductions and other complementary deductions, each covering medical, pension, unemployment contribution, normally a government deduction. Noting each can be preset or edited here by deleting the payslip item on this page and redoing at the top. Note, company contributions are shown below the net pay total at the bottom. These are paid by the company and not deducted from the staff's pay. All pay slip item contributions and deductions for employees and company can be preset, edited and may be calculated with a fixed amount or by percent of the gross pay before tax. Finally, the payslip shows the net payable total. Talking about other things, payslip items for editing. You can add value or edit value on items here. This case you have to press the arrow icon to remove the items so that you can add it again at the top with a new given value. Showing some examples. Deleting the unpaid sick leave. Select the same item from the drop down at the top. Giving total hours of the sick leave. Now click the check mark. Look at deduct the amount of money from fixed pay and it appears on items list as well. Doing once for paid sick leave. Look at it appears on the list with its amount, but the amount isn't deducted, because paid sick leave amount is also under total fixed pay amount. Adding one item for bonus amount. Look at the added section with bonus amount under fixed pay, also it appears on the left item list. The process is done. Now press the Finish buttons to express it. Then click View to see the payslip of the employee. Look, all the given value has been added to it. Until next time, make you tried once to see how simple this whole process can be. Thank you very much.